So South Africa is almost 300 days without load shedding, but people are still sitting without electricity. So what's going on? It's called load reduction. And no, it's not the same as load shedding. Let me break it down simply. Load shedding happens when Eskom doesn't have enough power to supply the whole country. So they switch off areas in stages to stop the entire grid from collapsing. So load reduction is a different story. Load reduction happens when the local infrastructure like transformers and cables cannot handle the demand in that area. So even if the country has enough power, your area can still be switched off because the equipment is overloaded. So why is this happening? This is because of aging infrastructure, illegal connections, rapid population growth, informal settlements that weren't planned for, municipalities and Eskom both managing distribution. And guess who gets hit the hardest? Townships and informal settlements. So Minister Kgosientsho Ramokgopa even admitted it gives the impression that it's a punishment for the poor. Now here's the promise. During the State of the Nation address, the President said the electricity crisis is solved and load reduction will be gone by 2027. But Eskom says they are rolling out smart meters, fixing feeders and targeting 971 high-risk areas, but they are currently behind schedule. Only about 20% of the smart meter target has been reached, and while some households are off load reduction, hundreds of thousands still aren't. Then Julius Malema came out saying the electricity crisis in South Africa is far from over. So here's the real question. If Sandton has lights but townships don't, is the crisis really over? Tell me in the comments, are you experiencing load reduction where you live? Because this electricity story is not finished yet. What do you think of this? Let me know in the comments.